Hey everyone, good morning, Susie here. I'm about to go wash my hair and take a shower. So I wanted to film this quick video today for you guys. Yes, I look tired. Yes, I did just wake up. So I am really tired. It is like 5 in the morning and I'm about to take my shower and get ready for work. But I did color my hair yesterday, so I especially wanted to use this product today. It's not a first impressions, but I wanted to kind of tell you guys about it and let you know how it works and what I think about it. So it is the Suave Bonding Infusion Repairing Hair Mask. This is what it looks like. There is also a shampoo, a bonding repair or bonding infusion repairing shampoo, and I will try to leave a link to both below. It's kind of hard to find them for sale. That's a kind of a weird thing. I actually bought mine on the Kroger grocery delivery. So when I got my groceries, I just typed in hair mask and this came up, and I thought I really want to try that. It sounds really good, and yes, I ordered it, but for some reason it is kind of hard to find for sale. So it did say they had it at like Walgreens, Walmart, so you should be able to find it in any major retailer here in the US. So let's just read off a little bit of information about it. This is a bonding infusion repairing hair mask for damaged, weak hair. It says it rebuilds broken hair bonds in 1 minute hair transformation. Salon proven repairing system, strengthens weak hair, reduces breakage, and intensely moisturizes. So this has 3 amino acids and citric acid, which, if I wasn't mistaken, isn't that lemon juice? Or like, lemon, like citrus juice. Bonding complex infused system targets broken hair bonds damaged by heat, color, and chemical treatments, and leaves hair strengthened and protected from breakage. It's very easy to use this. After shampooing, just apply to hair, leave on for 1 to 5 minutes, and then rinse. And it does say for best results, use with bonding infusion repairing shampoo. And I personally have no problem with the price tag. I think that they're a good price. They're on the more affordable end, and they are a very good product. They actually do a pretty good job. Suave actually has a line of Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner, and I love it. It's one of my favorites. It's very, very good and comparable to higher end brand Moroccan argan oil shampoo and conditioners. I will leave a picture of what my hair looks like this morning before I color it. Obviously, I slept on my hair, so it's gonna look a little bit, crazy this morning. It's not exactly smooth or straight, or it doesn't exactly look perfect because it's literally, I just woke up here. And I'm gonna use this in the shower when I take my shower this morning. So once I get done washing my hair and using this, I'll get on here and I'll let you guys know my thoughts. I've only used this one other time since I've gotten it, so it's not a first impression, but I really was pretty pleased with it the last time I used it. So I wanted to share with you guys what I thought about it, so that in case you're interested, you might want to pick this up for yourself. So I'm gonna go take a shower now, and I'll join you guys back in just a bit. All right guys, so I just washed my hair, got done using the hair mask in the shower. Do want to mention that I purchased this, it was about $5.99 on Kroger's app. So it retails for about $4.99, $5.99 most places. And it was really a nice experience while using it. I feel like it felt very moisturizing, but also had like a little bit of slip to it. So you could tell that it was kind of coating the hair in something that was protecting, but also kind of repairing. I don't know if that makes sense, but it just kind of had that feel to it. And it was kind of thick and like slippy. It was really nice. I put it onto all my hair, pinned my hair up, probably left it in my hair for probably anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes, and then rinsed it out. And the scent is really lovely. It's a very nice kind of fresh scent that kind of lingers in your hair afterwards. It's really nice. But I just really enjoyed using it in the shower. Right now my hair is just wet. So as soon as I finish drying my hair, I'll show you guys how it looks once I dry it. But I just feel like it works really well for the price point. You could spend more money and get, you know, products like Olaplex and other more expensive products that are bonding products that do the same thing. And they're just quite a lot more expensive. So this one is actually a much better deal and it works really well and the fragrance is quite lovely. So I will join you guys back once I dry my hair and show you the finished product. Alright guys, so I just blow dried my hair and this is how it looks. It looks really nice, shiny, and it actually does look healthy. I did trim my ends just a little bit the other day and I'm really loving my 2-color thing going on again. I like this other color. I feel like it's not too dark. It's like just the right shade that I was looking for. But yeah, it looks really good and it feels very, very soft, very smooth. I don't feel like I have quite as many flyaways after I use this product. So honestly, I'm very happy with it. I really like the way that it looks. My hair feels healthy, it feels soft, and it actually does feel better than it did before I used it. So I'm really happy with it and I'm gonna continue using it probably 1 to 2 times a week. If you're kind of looking for a hair mask that is a bonding formula that's gonna help repair maybe some damaged hair that you might have, or just if you have very dry hair or color treated hair and you want something to kind of add strength to your hair, this is a good product. I think you'll really like it. It is affordable and it smells really good. I love the way my hair smells when I use it. So hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, leave me some comments down below. Let me know, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And for more affordable beauty lifestyle videos, you know what place to go, right here on my channel. I'll be coming at you guys again here soon with another video. Take care, guys. Bye.